And this is on. What is up, party people? Well, I never make these kind of videos, these vlog videos, but I'm just going to give you the status of myself along with the status of this channel and what I'm trying to do with everything and future tutorials. Well, first off is that I am in language school right now to get a visa to stay in Asia. And to be honest, it's a total pain in the ass. I have to spend 3 hours a day, 5 days a week in class to obtain this visa. So it is a lot of work. It's also taking a lot of time away from YouTube. So right now I'm kind of learning how to balance the time between myself with school and also with my work as well. After that, I'm looking at an e-commerce tutorial and I'm looking at other tutorials to make, and I'm gonna also rebrand my channel. I'm going to rebrand how I edit videos. I'm gonna change the entire interface. I'm gonna be doing a lot to improve the style of my videos. I really want to take it to the next level. So I've been researching and studying all about my video editor, and I'm working with someone right now to improve that as well. Also, I am working on hosting affiliate blog, and I will give you all more information about that. In fact, I'm gonna show you my journey from getting the website, doing the SEO work to it, all that stuff, and seeing how it grows, etc. And I'm also going to be working on an e-commerce tutorial, and I have heard that Divi is going to recently introduce a WooCommerce builder. So that is something that I really want to look out for. But if you guys have any questions for me, feel free to let me know. I'm outside of my office right now, just hanging outside. It's a cozy office. In fact, I really should give you all a tour of this place. All right, you guys are getting a tour of the office. This is it. This is where I work. Let's go on inside. And this is the interior, the other side of it. Same thing with the elevators. Push it, and then you pick the floor. And this room right here is like the library and also like a hangout place, like a pool table, etc. So that's the end of the tour for my little office. Now, if you have any questions for me about a video or you want to see a tutorial or anything like that, put them in the comments below. I'll get to it as soon as I can. I'm gonna get to work right now, so I will see you all in the next video.